Now that's a view that you'll never get tired of. Let's see what we've got out here for a absolutely gorgeous view. Look at that. Boy, it's gorgeous out. This area is a little more opened up because we've had some tornadoes actually pass through here, and I know that the new owners of this property, Brookfield Energy, they had to cut up an awful lot of trees that were toppled over by the high winds. So it's pretty well opened this space up. This is where my ex and I used to camp. We used to tent camp. We brought our son when he was a baby to break him into camping. And this is just one small area where people can come in. It's still a day use area. There's picnic tables scattered throughout. There's fire rings, but as you can see, it's very, very open. The last time that I was up here before this, my son and I came up for a Father's Day celebration a couple years ago, and at that time I had my Jeep JK. I didn't have my van, of course, and we had an awesome time. We had everything packed into the back of my Jeep. We set up a portable picnic table because nothing was available at that time. Actually, the place was pretty well packed up here. And we cooked up hamburgers. And we even steamed some Maine mahogany clams. And they were delicious. My son and I can put away a lot of clams. And I had so many that we couldn't even finish them all, unfortunately. But isn't this just a beautiful area? It's too bad that you can't camp here anymore. And it's the usual, you know, saga. You get people that misuse the place. And then I'm surprised they didn't close it down all the way. But instead, they did allow day use of this area. There's a boat launch also to launch onto the back side of this pond. This is actually a large pond. You would think it was a river or a small lake, but I think it's about 3 miles long. But that's okay. Even though you can't overnight camp anymore, you can still come up and enjoy it. And I'll enjoy it for the day. I mean, how could you not?